Hey guys, this is Patricia at Crafted Threads Quilted Studio. Whether you're a beginner quilter or seasoned quilter, grab some fabric, fire up the sewing machine, and let's get started. So today we're going to dive into a project that will add a touch of style and personality to your home. The Quilted Curtain Sham. If you need to spruce up your home, or if you just need a quick gift, this is a beautiful project that will allow you to showcase your creativity. The painter's drop cloth. Now let's keep it real. This is the painter's drop cloth. I got it from Harbor Freight for $12. So I think or $8. So the painter's drop cloth. I can get 9 feet. We have our 9 patches all sewn up. We're gonna press them. I like to press the back side first, seeing that I really think the back side is pretty. So I press the back side first, making sure that they're all open. That's why finger pressing it makes it much easier. Turn it over. And there you have it. End up doing is sewing here, down to here, up here, down here, all the way around, and then stop here. Like I said, we're just gonna sew straight down with a 1/4 inch seam allowance all the way around. What you doing, Yeti? Coming to help out? I feel like everybody that does crafts, especially quilting, has a cat. What is up with that? We all have cats. They have the Cat Society. We're just tucking it over that seam. I made a tube just of 6-inch panel, folded it in half, sewed it, and then turned it inside out, and now I have a tube. So I'm gonna attach it, to the top here, and we're gonna sew this down. And we are just gonna give it like a 1/4-inch seam allowance, something like that, just to keep it all in place. All right, so with the help of my cat, we have finished it. And this is what the back looks like. All nice and finished.
And there you have it. A one-of-a-kind quilted curtain shell to brighten up your quilting room. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I did. If you made one, leave a comment or a like. Don't forget to subscribe and join me next time for some quilting adventures. Happy quilting!